People like these rappers can't spit, want them new niggas with that fresh shit. We can make it. When you hear everything the same, I be sitting with the team, discuss the game like we can make it. When I be working in class and my teacher on my ass for me to pass, pray we can make it. I'm saying we can make it. Yeah, my nigga, we can make it. Ain't this life a bitch? I'm just tryna be a nigga that she won't forget. My situation blessed, try to take nothing for granted. What if people don't accept me? These are thoughts that I manage. I put music over rapping. Let me hear the drums, I'm a slave to my passion. Songs are temporary, but the feeling's everlasting. That's why the kid is never slacking. I'm the shit, nigga, who's asking? How recruit a prospect, nigga, who's drafted? Deal with the bullshit, then you move past it. Wanted great my whole life, never knew average. Man, these years too short to get caught up in the nonsense. I've been rapping all day, tell me where the time went. Sound like well time spent. If the people never love me, I just put my hands together and trust in the man above me. But I'm writing for a reason, right? I'm in the booth heating up for a reason, right? These ideas in my head, gotta put it on wax. Got the dreams of my whole team on my back, I accept that. I got it, I embrace that. When niggas say impossible, we bout to chase that. Niggas doubting every day, we gon' erase that. All we got is faith, but you can't replace that, can't replace that. People like these rappers can't spit, want them new niggas with that fresh shit. We can make it. When you hear everything the same, I be sitting with the team, discuss the game like we can make it. When I be working in class and my teacher on my ass for me to pass, pray we can make it. I'm saying we can make it. Yeah, my nigga, we can make it. Ain't this life a bitch? Nobody wanna work, everybody won't be rich. Nothing guaranteed, but I know I got a chance. Held back for too long, now we ready to advance. Let the music speak, streets spread the word. Niggas saying I can't do it, should I be concerned? Man, I'm trying to give hope to the people. Life is what you make it, you can't let the system cheat you. I'll retire if I can't inspire. Fuck me, I'm trying to lift my whole city higher. Down to earth, but the music never been flyer. Started with a team, now we want an empire. This is real life daily. Can't nobody play me, shooting for the millions, nigga, tell me why you hate me. I just want my family with an infinite wish list. Like why my sister gotta work on Christmas. Man, I went and told myself I'ma change their lives forever. This album doesn't do it, then the next one will be better. Committed to the game, committed to the name. Been rapping since a boy, nigga, ain't shit changed. One man's dream, another's nightmare. Know the flow is a weapon, I don't fight fair.